Hello, my dear scholars. I hope my all scholars are fine and doing great. So, scholars, from today we'll start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 15, data handling. Okay, in our previous video we have completed with chapter number 14, that is mapping skills. From today we'll start with chapter number 15. Once we'll complete this chapter, then we'll start with chapter number 13, that is time and temperature. Okay, so scholars will start with 15th chapter, that is data handling. Are you all ready for it? Yes. So first of all we will see what is data handling. Okay. So scholars, let's see what is data handling. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information in such a way that is helpful to others and it is easy to understand. Okay, for instance, it must be in the form of graphs or chart. Okay, different type of graphs and chart we will study in this chapter. Okay, for example, let's see, this is a bar graph. Okay, then this is a circle graph. Okay, now this is a line graph. One by one we will study. Okay, so let's first of all study about bar graph. So scholars, let's see about bar graph. What is bar graph? A bar graph or a bar chart is a chart or a graph that present data with the rectangular bars with the height or the length proportional to the values that they represent. Okay, the bar graph can be plotted vertically or horizontally. So scholars, you have to keep in mind that bar graph is represented with the help of rectangular bars. Okay, and they can be plotted vertically or horizontally. So can you see this graph? This graph is of bar graph. Okay, it has rectangular bars. Okay, and this bar graph shows the type of technology used by number of users. Okay, now scholars, we will solve few questions related to it. Okay, you have to read the bar graph properly and then you have to answer the following questions. Okay, so which technology is mostly used by the users? So which technology is mostly used by the users? You have to study this bar graph. So for that, first of all, find the longest rectangular bar. Okay, so here we can see that this green color is the longest rectangular, highest rectangular bar. Okay, and this green color shows which technology? Telephone technology. So our answer will be telephone technology is mostly used by the users. Okay, now let's move to next question. How many users use TV technology? Okay, so first of all we have to find where is TV's rectangular bar. So here we have TV's rectangular bar. Now we have to find the finishing point of TV's rectangular bar. So here we can see that this rectangular bar ends at 6. Okay, so how many users are there? The number of users are in millions. So 6 million users use TV technology. Okay, now one more question. Which technology is least used by the user? Okay, now we have to find the smallest rectangular bar for least user. Okay, so which is the smallest rectangular bar? Here we have webcam. Okay, so webcam is the least used by the user. Okay scholars, now we will see about circle graph. Okay, so scholars, let's see about circle graph. A circle graph is a visual representation of data. Okay, it is also a visual representation of data and it is made up by dividing a circle into different sector, into different parts, and each part or each sector it will represent some information. Okay, and it is a part of that whole circle. Okay, usually the amount in each sector are represented in percentage so that all of the amounts when we total will get 100%. Okay, now let's see one example. See, this is a circle graph. It shows that green color is liked by 20 students, pink color is liked by 10 students, blue color is liked by 5 students, and red color is liked by 5 students. Here we have same number of students that are liking blue and red. Okay, now you have to read this bar graph, circle graph carefully, and then you have to find out the answers for the following question. Okay, which color is liked by maximum number of children? So which color is liked by maximum number of children? So here we can see that 20 is the highest number of children who like green color. So green color is liked by maximum number of children, which is 20 students. Okay, now next question, how many students like pink color? Let's see, where is pink color? So here we have this quarter is of pink color, and here we can see that 10 students like pink color. So our answer will be 10 students. Okay, now scholars, we will start with exercise 15.1, where you have to read the circle graph and then you have to answer the following question. Okay, so let's start. See, the circle graph shows the number of farm animal owned by some farm owners. Okay, this circle graph shows that number of farm animals owned by some farm owners. Here we have Rahul as farm owner, Aditya, Karan, Shiv and Amar. They all are farm owners. Okay, now first of all we will write the information that is given in this circle graph. Okay, so here we can see that Rahul has 120 farm animals, then Aditya has 90 farm animals, Amar has 30 farm animals, Shiv has 10 farm animals and Karan has 50 farm animals. Okay, now we will find total number of animals they have. So we have to add all these animals. Okay, so when we will add all these, so we'll get total 300 animals. Okay, so total animals are 300 farm animals. Okay, now scholars will start with exercise. Okay, that is question answers part. Okay, so scholars, let's find out the answer. What is the total number of animals on all the farms? Just now we have done total of all the animal, which is 300 animals. Yes, the total number of animals on all the farm is 300 farm animals. Okay, now let's see what fraction of animals do Karan and Shiv have. Okay, so first of all, how many farm animals Karan have? So Karan have 50, and how many do Shiv have? So Shiv have 10 farm animals. So what we will do, first of all, we will add the number of animals that Karan and Shiv have. So 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 farm animals. Now scholars, it's time to find fraction. So how do we find fraction? Total number of animals Karan and Shiv have divided by total number of farm animals. So here we have 60 animals Karan and Shiv have, and total number of animals are 300. So 60 divided by 300. Okay, so this 0 gets cancelled with 0. So now it will leave with 6 by 30. Now we can see that 6 and 30, they both are divisible by 6. Okay, so 6 ones are 6 and 6 fives are 30. So the fraction of animals that Karan and Shiv have is 1 by 5. Okay, now let's see next question. What fraction of animals do Rahul and Amar have? Again scholars, what we need to do, first of all we have to find the number of animals that Rahul and Amar have. So Rahul have 120 animals and Amar has 30 animals. Okay, so Rahul plus Amar is equal to 120 plus 30, which is equal to 150 farm animals. Okay, now it's time to find fraction. So fraction is equal to total number of animals that Rahul and Amar have divided by total number of animals on the farm. So 150 divided by 10. So scholars, you can simplify in your own way. See, 150 ones are 150 and 150 twos are 300. So the fraction is 1 by 2. Scholars, you can simplify by simplifying into the smaller parts. Okay, so the fraction of animals do Rahul and Amar have is 1 by 2. Okay, now scholars, we will see few more questions related to it. Okay, so scholars, let's see last question. Name the farm animal owners who have an equivalent. Equivalent means same number of animal as owners by Rahul and Amar. So scholars, first of all, we will find the number of animals, number of farm animals that Rahul and Amar have. Okay. So Rahul plus Amar, Rahul have 120 farm animals and Amar have 30 farm animals. So 120 plus 30 is equal to 150 farm animals. Okay. Now let's see who have same number of animals as of Rahul and Amar. So here we have Aditya, Karan and Shiv. We will add all the farm animals that Aditya, Karan and Shiv have. Okay, so Aditya plus Karan plus Shiv is equal to 90 plus 50 plus 10. So 90 plus 50 is 140 and 140 plus 10 is 150. Okay, so here we have got 150 and 150 same. It means Aditya, Karan and Shiv have same number of animal as of Rahul and Amar. Okay, so your final answer will be Aditya, Karan and Shiv have same number of animal as by Rahul and Amar. Okay, so scholars, here we have completed with our exercise 15.1 question number 1, and question number 2 you have to do it by yourself. Okay scholars, so in this video we have studied about bar graph and circle graph. In our next video we will learn about telemarks and line graph, and also we will see few examples related to pictograph. Okay scholars, so scholars, till that time you go through this chapter, complete exercise 15.1, and rest 2 exercise we will be doing in our next video. Okay, so bye scholars, take care of yourself.